Hey guys, in this video I will show you my improvised mud flops for the bicycle. It's just simple a strong tape that you can buy at every hobby store, and this is the part of a clothes washing fluid. So plastic bottle. And it's actually really nice. So you can see it's catch up most of the dirt. That was before. And now it's not, so it's dry. If you watch, it's not a fresh mud here. So it's catch 99% of the mud. The stock mud flop is not enough in such a rain. So it was like a 5-minute modification and perfect. Maybe if I paint it black, it looks like an original accessory. Thanks for watching and good luck for your cycling in winter time. Bye.